In this video, you'll learn how to create a dashboard in Lovable. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to design and customize a dashboard tailored to your needs. Begin by navigating to the Lovable website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Lovable URL. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of Lovable, which includes various options for dashboard creation. Next, locate and click on the button labeled New. This button is typically found prominently on the home page. After clicking, a message will appear stating Ready to Build. This confirms that you are set to start creating your dashboard. After this, you will see a notification indicating that Lovable can now handle complex builds more autonomously. This feature allows for a streamlined experience in dashboard creation, making it easier to manage your components and data. Now, type in the phrase Create a Dashboard into the provided text field. This action will prompt Lovable to begin the setup process for your new dashboard. Ensure that you enter the phrase accurately to avoid any issues later in the process. Following this, a message will appear stating Reviewing dashboard requirements and data sources. This indicates that Lovable is analyzing the necessary components and data streams that will be required. Next, you will see a message indicating Exploring dashboard components and data flows. This step is crucial as it helps you understand the various elements that can be utilized in your dashboard design. After that, you will receive a message detailing your dashboard's aesthetic direction. It may describe features such as a sleek, dark-themed analytics dashboard along with sidebar navigation, stat cards, charts, and a recent activity table. Then you will be shown a preview of the dark base with cyan and teal accents, clean typography, subtle borders, and smooth transitions. This visual representation is essential for ensuring that the design aligns with your preferences. Now it's time to edit your dashboard. You can make adjustments to the layout, components, and data sources as needed. This customization phase is critical for tailoring the dashboard to fit your specific requirements. Once you are satisfied with your edits, just wait for Lovable to generate your app. This process may take some time, depending on the complexity of the dashboard and the speed of your internet connection. Ensure that your connection is stable to avoid any interruptions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.